Hello, testing, testing. Huh. Hi, Marisa. Hello, good morning. Bam. Hi, Velveteen. Hello. Are you guys ready for some more React coding today? Hi. Good afternoon or evening, by the way, if you're in other time zones. Today, I'm going to try something a bit more ambitious for my skill level. It's Valentine ALR. Anyways, here's the plan for today. So currently I have a text box in the middle of a random React scene, right? I can type whatever I want into this text box. I want to add, I'm using React by the way, so I want to add some sort of 3D character into this scene, and then the more characters I type into the text box, the happier it becomes. That's the goal. Input an animated 3D character into the web page, and then have it react to my word count. That's pretty ambitious. Yeah, I've been poking around in Three.js. I think, I'm not even 100% sure if it's possible, but I think it's possible. But if it's not possible, then we'll at least figure out how to import 3D characters into Three.js. I'm pretty sure that's possible. So either case, we will learn something. Marisa says, the one you showed, that floating one? Yes, that one. You know what? Let me open up Blender and show what I mean. So currently, whoa, all my windows disappeared. No. Well, there we go. Okay, never mind. Everything's still good. Whoa. Windows. Here we go. This guy, who currently does not move at all. But hey, look, I can do a 360. Oh, hey, he's waving. Yeah, I want to insert this character into... Let me turn off his armature. There. Yeah, he's 3D, boys. I want to import this model somehow into a website and then have it react to your word count. The more you type, the happier he becomes. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be a pretty ambitious goal today. I think I'm gonna be happy if I even get him to import into the web page. You guys want to see what other animations he has? He has man, I don't even know what's going on anymore. Oh right, I think I know what's going on. I just applied all of his modifiers, right? So actually I don't know what's going on with this scene. Where did all the animation layers go? Open recent. Before applying modifiers, don't save. Oh, there we go. So he has a happy one animation that looks like this. Yeah. He has a happy two animation that goes like this. Yeah. And then he has an idle animation that goes like this. That's wrong. Idle animation, he just blinks at you. Which looks kind of weird now. Yeah. Anyways, I want to put him into a web page. Like, port the actual 3D model into it so he can actually react with the UI and stuff and go wherever he wants on the web page. Okay, I'm gonna actually start now. There's so much talking. So currently, yes, I have the input text box that's over here, input type text, that's this thing. And then I have this div right here that symbolizes the entire 3D scene. And to be honest, I don't really understand how most of this works either. I have a reference called mountRef. Apparently in React, you can do like a useRef hook that gets a reference to the div, but then it, unlike useState, it doesn't refresh on every re-render of the page. So the animation won't restart every time. I think that's the goal. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then I have in this use effect, after everything is rendered, we slap the 3D animation on there. That's the scene, that's the camera, that's the renderer. And then we have our mount reference, which is referenced in the div here. So then in the div, we basically inject this 3D scene. And then we call our animation function. Yeah, nothing is animated though right now. So that's my job right now. I'm going to be using a lot of ChatGPT today because I have no idea what I'm doing in terms of 3D models in web browsers. So ChatGPT is going to help me a lot. Okay. And of course, there's the Three.js documentation. Okay, here we go. Should I type this out? I feel like I would internalize it more if I typed it out instead of copying code. So import. We're importing a GLTF loader from Three.js add-ons. Okay, you know what? I'm going to copy this. This string is way too long. Yeah, GLTF is like a format for exporting 3D models. I did actually export the blob thing character with GLTF. I have a model prepared for it. Okay, and then loader is equal to new GLTF loader. We have the path to our model, scene.add, gltf.scene. Okay, I did read a little documentation on this. When you call loader.load, the first function you pass in is apparently what happens when the model successfully loads, I guess. The second function you pass in is what happens when it's loading. Third function is what happens when it errors. Okay, that's pretty simple. I think we can just jump straight to the Three.js Mentor GPT, what it's suggesting. Yes, I had a cube in here. Okay. Load 3D model constant loader is equal to new gltf loader, and then we're going to get a reference to our animation mixer. Right. And then we're going to define what happens when we load our stuff. So loader.load. All right, I need to import my model somehow. You can just put it in public, right? Okay, I did export my model as a GLTF format, so Blender. Oh, here, Iris export test. Cool. That's the 3D model, which I need to get a reference of. .load. Referencing the file paths for when you put objects in public is weird, right? I don't think you can just type the exact object name, right? Like slash iris export test.glb. GLTF. So apparently this is when the model successfully loads and what you're going to do with it. Constant model is equal to gltf.scene. So apparently that's the reference to the actual model, and then scene.add model. We're adding the model into the scene. I think I'm gonna skip some animations for now. Yeah, let's just do a sanity check. What happens if I save right now? Whoop. Save. Alright, nothing is showing up. Fantastic. Onload is not a function. Where? 203. Use effect. 34. Okay. Oh. Am I not closing the load correctly? Oh, apparently I'm closing the function all the way here. Maybe like this. Loader.load. Can I just input one function? So this function ends here. Okay, so I can just put one function and ignore the loading and error functions. It's in here. It's in here. Oh, you can see his nub above the input text box. How do I make him higher? Model.position maybe? .set. Let's bring him up higher and to the right perhaps. Maybe 2? 2 to the right. 2 higher. And 0 forward backwards. Yo! He's in here. He has no eyes though. Where did his eyes go? Let's bring him down 1. Cute little dude is with us again. He is. Okay, that's pretty cool. My guess currently is that his eyes are maybe behind him, like he's facing forward. So we'll have to like turn him around. Rotation.set array like number. Okay, I'm trying to think. We would have to rotate him in the z-axis, right? Or is it the y-axis? 0, 180 is 3.14. It's just pi, right? And I believe they measure it in radians. Yay, there we go. Can you believe it? That's a 3D model. That's pretty cool. And he's looking straight at us now. 2.9 perhaps? 2.95. Cool. Ha. He's a little bit... He's a little bit fuzzy though. I want to do some anti-aliasing. So you see all those jagged edges? It's kind of ugly. Anti-alias. True. I think that did nothing. Or is this a rendering? Is anti-aliasing a rendering parameter? Anti-alias. Is it true? Oh, there we go. Now he's smooth. Okay. Cool. That's pretty cool. I need him to do his idle animation. How do you do animations? Let's see. Oh, here. Where do I put this? Okay, that's loading the model, right? So this is position the model. Now we want to play some animations. So if tf.animations dot length is greater than 0, i.e. if we have some animations, mixer is equal to new 3 dot animation mixer. I guess we pass in the model for this animation mixer. Why do they call it a mixer? Dot. Maybe it's like a DJ mixing set, but you can mix animations with it. gltf.animations. You know what? Let's just print out what animations we have. Console.log animations. Blender with the mixer. Oh, good thinking. It's a synonym for Blender. Yeah, let's print out what animations we have. gltf.animations. Okay, so it's just a bunch of animation clips. Oh, look, we have happy 1, happy 2, idle. How do we get the exact name, though? How to get animation clip by name? Clip find by name. Oh, cool. And then we can do constant, perhaps the idle animation is equal to 3.animation clip dot find by name gltf.animations idle. And then we can play it. Let me scroll back up here. Are they doing the same thing to animate it? Okay. Yeah, they're doing the same thing. So they have the action clip, set it equal to mixer dot clip action, and they set it to idle. And then now if we do action.play, it should play the animation, I think. Please, work. Go. It's not doing anything. Why? Play animation if available. So we're definitely getting here, right? We're printing out the animations. 3.animation clip find by name. Are we not getting the idle animation? Like console.log. For now, what idle is. Yeah, we're getting the correct animation clip. Action is equal to mixer.clip action. That should be right, and then action.play. Is it because the way we're running our animate function, perhaps? Animation loop. You know what? The easy way is to just copy the code here and be like, why is my animation not playing? Prod Fishy says, hi. Hello, Prod Fishy, how you doing? I have a 3D character in a web browser, but you can't tell because he looks flat as hell. It's been a while, lol. Yeah, it has. Welcome back. You're mixing mixer.update delta time. Oh, you have to do that? Got it, okay. Clock.get delta. Oh, okay. That's a simple fix. Where's my animation function? Wait, yeah. Do I even have an animation up here? Mixer.update clock.get delta. I have no idea what this does. I'll probably have to look it up after the stream. Constant clock is equal to new 3.clock. Apparently that should fix it. Just a simple mixer.update clock.get delta, huh? He moves! He moves! That's so cool. Look, he blinks at you. That's awesome. Vite ASFFF. My biggest project is in Vite. Yeah, I'm using Vite. Okay, I'm gonna have to make some notes to myself. This is required for animation mixer, apparently. And then mixer required for mixer animations. What's the point of passing clock to get delta? I guess you're getting how much time passed, I guess. But look, that's so cool. Oh my goodness. Can we get some other animations too? What did I name my other animations? Oh, it's here, right? There's Happy 1, Happy 2. Man, today's a good day. I didn't think it would get this far. No! Oh, I know what's wrong. Happy 1. I can't name everything the same thing. Happy 1, Happy 2. Internal server error. Well, at least I know exactly where the error is coming from. Oh. Cannot read properties of undefined reading update at animate 52. Oh, okay. Maybe there's no animation mixer. If mixer, because it maybe isn't defined yet. There we go. Oh ho. He's back. Isn't that pretty cool? Excuse me. I'm gonna make him a little bigger so people can see him. Scale dot set. Maybe 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Maybe a little bit too big, but we can see him now. Man, I think this is so cool. Okay, my goal was to play some other animations, right? Like, call this Happy 1, Happy 2. Is it gonna completely break on me again if I do this? Nope, it works. Fetch animations. Okay, can we play Happy One? Happy One. Hello, Happy One? Happy One? Oh. Wait, I'm printing out Happy One. Happy One. Hey, look, he's Happy One. Pretty cute. Happy Two. Hey. Oh, that's awesome, man. Right, there's no happy animation. Okay. We have something tricky on our hands now. I want to make it so that the more words I type into this text box, the happier he becomes, like progressively happier. First, he starts off with the idle animation, then he goes happy 1, and then happy 2. Ooh. Okay, how do you do this? 3GS, help me, please. React 3JS without fiber. How to what? How to change animation clip based on characters count in input text box, which is like a React component input with type text. I choose you. React state text to track the input value. Okay. We're getting so much references now. Store the animation mixer, store animation actions. Okay. Why do we need to save these as references? Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Store all the animations in a dictionary. For each clip, start with the idle animation, handle input change. Let animation name equals idle, switch animation. Action stop. Oh, I feel like we're doing such a roundabout method of doing this. Excuse me. Why do we need a reference to this? Why do we need to store it in a dictionary, all the animations? Okay, let me just ask ChatGPT. Why do we need to have these references? Also, why do we need a dictionary for the animations? Can we not get the animations at a later point? So if we use useState instead of useRef every time, we update the mixer. Okay. Every time we update the mixer, React re-renders the component. Yeah, we don't want that. Oh, wait. I guess we want a way for React to have access to the mixer outside of the useEffect function, huh? That makes sense, I guess. useRef keeps the mixer persistent. Okay. Switching actions would require finding the correct animation clip every time from GOT of animations. this would be inefficient because GLTF is an array. I mean, it only contains 3 things. So, okay, I think I have a better understanding of how it works now. Okay. Let's start then. So outside React needs a reference to the mixer ref. Constant mixer ref is equal to use ref null, and then constant the actions ref is equal to use ref default to a empty dictionary. Okay, mixer ref. Where animation setup mixer ref? Oh, here. Got it. Okay, so you can do mixer ref. That's how you set refs. Okay. Mixer ref dot current is equal to mixer. I didn't know you could just do this. That's kind of neat. And then actions. Yeah, here. Actions ref. Oh, I see what they're doing. Okay. So they're mapping the animation name to the animation clip. I feel like this is a bit overkill for me because we only have 3 animations. But I guess it makes sense. Yeah, okay. Makes sense to me. gltf.animations.for each. So for each clip, we do actions ref dot current clip dot name, and then we map it to mixer dot clip action clip. Cool. Save it. Cannot read properties of undefined reading at for each. Animation. Oh. Actions ref, right? Actions ref. Or wait, what am I doing? Actions ref. Dot animation stuff for each clip, then actions ref dot current clip name is equal to mixer dot clip action clip. That should be right? Make clear all this. Error at 31. Oh, okay. Here or I'm confused. Why? Cannot read properties of undefined reading for each. So they're saying in the for each that there's no clip or there's no animations. Wait, is it plural? Oh, that's probably it. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay. That's very interesting. I didn't know you can just do a for each loop like this. Nice. So we don't need these anymore because these are stored in a dictionary. Idle is no longer a thing. Action is equal to mixer.clip action. You just fetch idle from the dictionary, huh? So actions ref.current. You just fetch idle animation and then actions.play. .31 again, mixer.clip action, actions ref.current, get the idle name. What's going on if actions if actions ref.current idle I guess we did check if it actually exists. Actions ref.current idle, and you play the animation. JSX50 cannot read properties of undefined reading at length. Where? Undefined. Where is undefined? Actions ref dot current mixer dot clip action cannot read properties of undefined reading length. Where am I even getting length from? Actions ref.current. Am I doing this wrong? Actions ref.current. Hello? Oh. Okay. Well, now it's working. Wait, why didn't the previous code work? That baffles me. Constant action is equal to mixer.clip action. Oh wait. So then we're wrapping in a clip action. Oh, we already wrapped in a clip action here. Oh. Naruto makes sense. How do you read your name? Delta M creation, triangle M creation, difference M creation, M creation. Delta M creation says, what are you making? Oh, I'm making this 3D character that reacts to the number of words I type in here. Yeah, if I type more words, he's gonna become happier, basically. What happens if I remove all these stuff here? Okay, it still works. See, he has an idle animation, he has a happy 1 animation, and then he has a happy 2 animation. I'm gonna set him to idle animation. That solution for your problem, quitting the job and joining a new one without React. Oh, that's so mean. But yeah, luckily, you can call me Am Creation. Oh cool, nice to meet you, Am Creation. Yeah, good news is I'm more so a back-end engineer at my job. I'm not a front-end engineer. Thank goodness. Okay, now we want to handle the input change. Yeah, so we want to, every time someone types something into the text editor on change, we want to call a handle input change thing. Okay. On change is equal to the function handle input change. And then let's define handle input change above. Const handle input change equal to, I'm assuming we pass in a event over here. Set text e.target value. What does set text do? Oh, okay, it's the state we have above. Got you, okay. So we have a state over here that's constant. We have the text, set text is equal to use state. Did we just set it as an empty string at first? I think that makes sense. Yeah, use state empty string. So we call set text the event.target.value, which I guess target is the input text box, the value is whatever is typed in it. Okay. The rest of the code I think makes sense to me. Obviously these are not the exact animations I have. So let animation name equal nothing for now. Okay, how should we do this? If set if text, hold on, why are we even setting the text here actually? Why do we need to keep track of the text? Is there a point to keeping the text as a state? Can't we just get the character count like this all the time? Is there a point to getting the text as a state? Text. What? Text. But yeah, where do we even use the text? So I think it refreshes the page every time the text is changed too, which probably not what we want. Okay, I'll just run with this for now. Let's see what happens. Constant char count is equal to, also why don't we just get the char count from the text? Text dot length. So if the char count is greater than or equal to 0, then we set it to the idle animation. And animation is equal to idle, else if the char count is greater than or equal to 10, anim is equal to happy 1. Else, then the animation is equal to happy 2. And then we switch the animation. So obviously if the mixer ref current is not null. Wait, what are we doing here? Object.values actionRef.current for each action.stop. Oh, interesting. We stop all animations. Okay. If actions ref.current, then you play it. Oh, I see what you're doing. Okay. Okay, makes sense. This for each loop is really weird though. I've never seen anyone do it like this. Object.values. I guess this just unpacks current for actions ref, and then for each action.stop. And then actions ref.current animation dot play. Okay, is it going to complain about anything here? No. Okay, now it is 74. What? Text.length is not a function at handle input change. Really? How do you get the length of strings then? Is that how you do it? Oh, okay. Yeah, the animation restarts at every frame, right? Yeah, I don't think I like that. That's a problem. That was what I was saying. We probably shouldn't have a state called setText, right? That's kind of useless to me. And it re-renders every frame too that I type. So I'm gonna get rid of text here. There's no point in doing that. Don't want to re-render every time I type. So the setText here should be gone. Instead, we should do like e.target.value. Deepak says, hi bro. Hi Deepak. How you doing? What's up? Long time no see. Uh-oh. Cannot read properties of null React 66. What's going on? No, it's mad at me now. Okay, we're back. Okay, where at line 66, and what's going on in line 66? Mount ref.current.remove child. Okay. Can I go to references? That's literally the only reference, so if I remove this, it should be fine, right? I don't understand why it's not letting me. Okay, time. Oh, it came back. Okay. Deepak says, why are you learning React? Even my job is pushing me to learn it. Oh. Honestly, my job doesn't require me to use React, but I want to get more involved in front-end because front-end seems so cool, you know? My character count is definitely more than 10 right now. handle input change. Animation equals idle. I get the feeling that it's restarting every time. Yeah, see, it snaps. Look at the snapping. So why is it doing that? Can we... Let's lower the character count here. Let me just to 5. Oh, wait. I think I'm dumb. If it's greater than or equal to 0, then set it to idle. So it's always idle. No. If char count is greater than or equal to 10, then we set it to happy 2. Okay, is this gonna work? It's still deboxes, but I'm using AI for that. It's not good for me, so slowly going through doc. Hey, that's good. To be honest, I use a lot of AI at work too, because it gets stuff done fast. But yeah, you don't really understand it, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's happy now. 6, 7, 8, 9. It's still resetting the animation, but oh frick, it's happy. It's still resetting the animation every time though. I don't like that. Octoelliptical says you. Hi. Marisa says, sorry that I was gone for so long, made myself food. No worries. No need to apologize. Octoelliptical says, well, I don't know how web dev be like in future. Xenotime says, hi. Hi. Look, he's happy. Less happy. Happy. Less happy. Happy. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Whoa. Okay. The one problem right now is that every time I type a word or character, the animation resets, and I don't like that. How do I stop that? Oh. I know, it's this thing, isn't it? It's this thing. We stop and restart the animation no matter what. I think we should track what the current animation is. I think that's important. Yeah. Okay. So we can... Wow, time to actually use some of our React skills. Constant current animation is equal to useRef, and then let's default to idle animation. Great, it's complaining. Never mind, it's not complaining. Okay. So we only do all this shtick if the current animation is different now. Also, I don't want to... we don't want to refresh our page every time the animation changes, right? So yes, we want to use a reference. Just curious what's useRef. Oh yeah. useRef is kind of like useState, except it does not re-render the page every time it changes. That's my understanding of it. Yeah. The problem with using useState in this case is kind of like the problem that you're seeing right now, actually. The animation re-renders and restarts on every thing I do. Yeah. I want the animation to be continuous, you know, and not trigger a page re-render every time. Yeah. Okay, so we want to track our current animation. That's what I'm thinking right now. And only if the current animation is different do we switch the animation. If the animation is still the same as the previous animation, then we don't do anything. We continue letting the current animation play. That's my current plan right now. Like only specific part of the page instead of entire. For useRef, no, it does not trigger re-render at all. React use ref. I just discovered this myself recently too. Man, sometimes the documentation is so hard to read. Usage. Okay. On the next renders, useRef will return the same object. You can change its current property to store information and read it later. This might remind you of state, but there is an important difference. Yeah, changing a ref does not trigger a re-render. So in this case, it's important because my animation is contained in a div. So this reference is referencing my div that contains the animation. I don't want to re-render it or restart the animation every time something happens to this, I guess. Yeah, that's really it. So if the animation, how do you check for string equality in JavaScript? Not equals to current animation. Then you do the whole shtick. You gotta stop all the animations. You know, I don't even need to go through every single thing here, right? I can just straight up do action.stop. Yeah, that's way better. Actions ref dot current and get the current animation. I will stop it and I will play the new animation. Yeah, and then I will set the current animation to anim current. Is that what I call it? Current anim dot current is equal to anim. Oh my goodness. Wait. Cannot read properties of undefined. Reading stop. Is there no idle? Idle. For stop, huh? Well, we know it's here. Current animation. Dot current. Hold on. 1, 2. Reading stop. Oh, I know why. We need to get the current. Just getting the reference means nothing, I think. Like that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, but it's still re-rendering. Why? Do we re-render on every handle input change actually? Every time we call a handle input change function? Like if I comment this out, is it still gonna change? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, actually it does not. Oh. Okay, that's a good clue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So it is this section here. It is this chunk. Oh. Dot current. I keep forgetting the current. Is that it? Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did it, guys. I did it. The animation doesn't restart and he gets happier. That's awesome. Take me to your leader. 10, make this 20. Take me to your leader, and I will say hi to him. Yeah, let's go. I did it. I did it. Let's go. Hey. Oh. Does anybody want to type some stuff in here? Like suggest words? And watch him be happy. I completed what I set out to do today. We should make this even higher, like 15, 30. I'm just gonna type whatever people type in the chat. Happy little dude. Yay. Write the entire of pi. I don't know pi. 3.1415. What is pi? Yesterday was pi day, right? Pi digits. What are the first? 3.1415. 3.1415. 92, 65, 35. 92, 65, 35. 92, 65, 35. That's not even enough digits. How do people even memorize all this? My brain is already... I can't. Okay, he's happy. He likes pie. He's very happy with pie. And now he's so happy, yay. Anybody want to suggest stuff to put in? Man, I'm happy today too. I didn't think I would actually succeed at this. I thought we were gonna have to, like, I don't know, be stuck with the animation resetting every time. This is awesome. No? Nobody wants to suggest text to put in? Like only the Balkaman Docker says, hi, how are you? I'm doing good. Look what I made. I'm just gonna type exactly what you typed. Hi, how are you? He's doing good, look. And a smiley face, I guess. Apparently this is typed by Balmakun. Docker, he likes your name, look at that. If I take away the name, oh, he's a little less happy. Pretty cool, right? This is actually a 3D model. Like, I can rotate him and stuff. That's so cool to me. Use effect, animations. Quick idea, what if he gets angry if you say some bad stuff? Oh, I like that idea. Unfortunately, I don't have any angry animation set up. Chat. What are some sad, angry things I could say? Your tie looks ugly, and your sweater is hideous. No, he's a sadist. Yeah, I'll have to configure some angry animations for him. Yeah. Should I make him smaller? I feel like he's too big right now. 1, 1, 1. I feel like he should be smaller. 2 blob. Balmakun says thanks for coming live today. Oh yeah. I'm actually usually live on Saturdays, but yeah. Position, maybe a little bit down, 6. Yeah, I want it to be just like, I don't want him to be the main focus, you know? Your eyes are as white as the first snow of winter. Hey, he likes compliments. Yeah. But yeah, this is really exciting. I actually am making this because I want to propose a mascot to the to the ChatGPT wrapper startup that I'm working at. I think it'd be so cool if should we maybe put in the description server that you're usually streaming on Saturday? Sure. The reason I don't put it is because I don't guarantee always Saturday. It depends on how busy I am. But yeah, usually I'm here on Saturdays. Yeah. But yeah, I'm so excited. I want to make even more complicated animations from I want him to have like strip flight paths that like he flies around the screen and he reacts to whatever you type. Wait, I think I straight up have a notebook of like a few notebook pages of animations I want to do. Yeah, this is for the LLM wrapper startup that I'm working at. I want him to like, I don't know, I want him to remember the user's name in like a cookie or like local storage. And whenever you log on to the company webpage, it'll be like, Chad, you're back. Hi, Chad. Or hi, Marisa, you're back. Hi, I'm so excited to see you again. And then when we get a question wrong, he's gonna like do some puppy eyes and act all apologetic. And hopefully customers will be more forgiving to us if we get questions wrong. I stream every Saturday. Oh, he likes Saturdays. Usually. He likes to usually like and subscribe. Look, he approves. Y'all should like and subscribe. What else should we do? Nobody wants to input some text to put in here? Guess it's just me. That's fine. Ho ho ho. Ho. Yeah. I didn't think we would actually complete it today. I was expecting a 2-part stream due to my lack of knowledge with React and Three.js. Pretty nice. Okay. I think I'm done for today then. Thank you to everyone who came. Thank you, Marisa. Thank you, Balmakund, the OX539. Yeah, this is pretty nice. I'm happy with my progress today. I probably will maybe try to redo this off stream so I can actually internalize what I wrote. I used a lot of ChatGPT. Marisa says, I love this stream. I mean, we got happy little dude, happy Chen, and happy everybody. Yeah, today's a nice day. Yeah, I'm probably actually gonna propose, just take this literally and propose this to the startup that I work at. Wish me luck, guys. It's probably gonna get shot down, but even if it gets shot down, I can put it into my personal portfolio. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah. Look, you can rotate him like any angle. Whoop. Now he's staring backwards. Can you make him like... Can I make him stare directly at the text? One. 1.5. Look, he's staring directly at the text. I think your eyes are very beautiful. Oh, he anticipated the beautiful. Beautiful. If it doesn't get accepted, will you use it for the YouTube channel? Maybe, actually, maybe. I'm gonna start calling people out. Hey, Kate, do you want to say anything to the blue blob for him to react to? He's kind of a sadist right now. He only reacts happily to anything. Kate 0228 is kind of cool. I guess. Yay. No, he likes the compliments more. Oh, I guess he agrees. He does like the compliments more. Man, I'm so happy. I didn't think I would actually finish this today. It's so nice. Okay, now he's staring at the front now. Ooh, there's another thing I want to try doing on another stream. I want to do it so that if my mouse gets closer to him, my mouse gets close enough, then he starts like looking at the mouse, like facing towards the mouse to a certain degree. And then when you start typing, I want him to look at the text bar. Yeah. I think that'd be so cool. I also want to be able to like, yeah, I want him to be angry too. I want him to be able to get angry. And then if you like, wouldn't it be cool if you like hover your mouse, you can pet him? And then if you click on it, maybe you punt him away. And then he gets angry. Maybe if you do it 3 times, he'll get super angry. Yeah. I have so much ambition now. For now. Yeah, I really hope this gets accepted at the startup I work at. If not, well, I'll save it for my personal portfolio. To be like, hey, I know how to get 3D models to work in a web browser. Marisa says, reminds me of most Germans here, me included. You get stared at until you leave them. Then they usually stare at the exit. Okay, stare at the exit, boy. Okay, now it's not directly looking at you. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what else to do this stream. I accomplished exactly what I set out to do, which is nice. Alright. Cool. Alright, last call for anyone who wants to type anything in here, the text box, and have him react to it. Otherwise, I'm gonna go now. Goodbye, Chet and our little dude here. Bye. Bye, Marisa. Marisa. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. I'm gonna have this guy wave goodbye, too. Thanks for tuning in and subscribe. Bye. I'm gonna make him bigger too. Bye. Bye, guys. See you next Saturday or whenever I choose to stream.